OCGN stock, Ocugen Inc. So today, the 12th of January 2021, the company that is Ocugen Inc. and Bharat Biotech announced results from a study conducted at Emory University demonstrating that sera from subjects who received a booster dose of candidate vaccine, COVAXIN, BBV152, 6 months ago after getting a primary 2-dose series of COVAXIN, BBV152 neutralized the SARS-CoV-2 Omicron and Delta variants. That was the bulk of the news, or rather the summary of what they announced today, the 12th of January 2021. So we can see that over the last, I think, since November 2nd, 2021, OCGN, Ocugen, has lost over 73% of its gains. So as at that date, the 2nd of November 2021, it was trading at it was trading at let's get it, if you don't mind. Let's get that value for you. That's the 1-year chart. It was trading at a high of about $15 or thereabout. Yes, this is the 2nd of November. Yes, 2nd of November, it was trading at 15.5. If it closed at $15.59 since that time, it has continued to retrace. It has been printing lower lows and has faced stiff resistance from its 10-day moving average. You can see that this moving average only breaking above it or closing above it just once on the 21st of December 2021, just once, and twice, as a matter of fact, twice, 21st and the 23rd, only closing above that 10-day moving average twice. But all in all, it's been facing a stiff resistance and it's been printing lower lows. Obviously this is the daily chart of the stock over the last 1 month. So for the last 1 month, from December 8, 2021 to January 12 today, it has been trading between $4.20 and $6. That is what we are talking about here. It has been trading between we might not be able to see that. Let's return to the one month chart when we'll see that what we are talking about. Since December 8th, I believe, yes. Okay, this doesn't do justice. Let me see whether we can get another chart for that. I think, yes, it's been trading. Is that on the 1-year chart? Let's see what that's here. This is the 5-day. No wonder. What are we looking at here? Let's look at the 1-year chart. Might be able to get it here. Yes, that's it here. You can see that it's been trading between $6 and $4.2, or $4.2 and $6 since the last 1 year. Since December 8, 2021. That is what it has been doing. It's been trading between that range. So as such, it may be construed as to some extent a sort of consolidation, because it doesn't look like a very wide range. Okay, short interest on the stock stands at 28.37%. okay, and we have a readout here that is indicating that OCGN stock is consolidating within a longer term downtrend. Yes, the longer term downtrend, that is the case. That's the longer term, and the longer term, this yellow line or orange line, it is it's sloping downwards. Shares are presently below the 200-day moving average, which is falling along with the 10-day moving average. Okay, yes, you can see the shares are below this moving average and also falling along with the 10-day moving average. That is absolutely the case. And and it's indicating that it has it may have exhibited sideways movement, probably because of that narrow range it's been trading in, over the last 1 month. So momentum is improving. Is that the case? Let's see whether momentum is improving here on OCGN. Momentum is improving. Yes, based on this chart, it is improving. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors begin to purchase OCGN stock. The volume for today, the 12th of January 2021, was lighter than usual, trading 23.27 million shares versus an average of 43.178 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. So let's see whether the this is the accumulation distribution is negative, it's bearish, but this is the unbalanced volume indicator. Let's see, this is it. The slope is negative. Let's see, that suggests that buyers, there's a lack of buying interests. Okay, all in all, that's in summation, that's what's going on with OCGN stock, and it closed this session of the 12th of January at $4.17, a gain of 0.24%, and we have a target of $4.95 within the next 1 month. That's our target, $4.9. It was there or above it. It was there or above this $4.95 as at the 30th of December 2021. Let's see whether we can validate that. 30th of December 2021. Can we see that here? 30th of December. Okay, let's see. Yes, 30th of December. It was at okay, this is the daily chart. This is not these what you're looking at right now. Prints is a record of the closing prices. So we are going to return. We're just going to pull up the chart where we may be able to find out what it is. Let's look at the 10-day chart. I believe we might be able to see it on a 10-day chart. Let's see. Is that the case? Will we be able to see it on the 10-day chart? Yes, I think so. Yes, we have it here. That's it. It closed at some point during that session of the 30th of December, 10:50 a.m. It was at $5.04. So it has at some point been able to reach there, and also further again in that session as well. It was at 4.94. Rough 4.95 approximately. So it's something that it has achieved in the last 10 trading sessions. So we obtained that figure using this high, this value of 4.45 at on 12th of January. Okay, let's return to where's it? 4.45. Yes, this high of 4.45 at it should be at 10 a.m. or thereabout. 4.45. Okay, it's saying here it is 9:40. Okay, we're using that 9:40 a.m. and then the low of 4.20, low of 4.20, I think. Yeah, 4.20 achieved at 11:30 a.m. or thereabout. Yeah, 4.20 thereabout. So that's what we used, and then we got a difference of $0.25, and then we multiplied that by 2.618, and it gave us 0.6545, which we added to one of the prices we saw during this post market for OCGN, and it gave us $4.95. So that's in a nutshell that is how we obtained this target of $4.95. So it's something it has been able to achieve of late. So, and on its options, we can also see that let's quickly have a look at the options. The market participants are pricing in some move for the stock towards the $5 strike. Their price 450 strike. Sorry about that. 450 strike. They are pricing in some moves towards that direction, towards that strike. You can see that open interest volume for this session was 4,554, and then the open interest is 3,548. Not a huge amount. As a matter of fact, the $5 strike has a better open interest, but has a smaller volume for that session. So our target is 4.95, and see what you can make of OCGN stock. Just be really careful as well. Just be really careful, and we will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.